Is your Twilio emergency address up to date, ensuring help arrives at the right location when it matters most? Let's dive straight into how to remove or update the emergency address associated with your Twilio phone numbers, a vital step for E911 compliance. First, log into your Twilio account. Once you're in, navigate to the phone number section. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, click on the phone numbers drop-down. Then select Manage Numbers. You'll see a list of all your Twilio phone numbers. Find the specific number you want to update and click on it. This will take you to the phone numbers configuration page. Scroll down until you find the emergency calling section. Here, you'll see the current emergency address associated with this phone number. To remove it, you will first need to delete the listed address by clicking on the pencil icon to edit the emergency address. Next, clear the fields and confirm by clicking Save to ensure that the number does not have an emergency address set. It's that easy. By following these steps, you've successfully removed or updated the emergency address for your Twilio phone number, keeping you compliant with the E911 regulations.